welcome back everybody. If you want to scan a QR code in Clash Royale and you are looking out how to do so, you may just follow up the steps and you should be able to do it. So for that, you can access the Clash Royale application, directly tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be going towards the game and you should be finding this particular interface. And from here, the first thing you need to ensure is you are connected to the Supercell ID. Look out for the three horizontal lines in the top right and select it. And from there, look out for the Supercell ID and look out for your Supercell ID right here. Now within here, you should be finding different options. You can directly look out for the option for friends and click on it. And after you click on friends, there you will be finding all of your friends that are correctly connected towards your account. And within that, also an option of plus in the bottom right corner. So click on it. And there you should be finding the QR code available. Now you can scan the QR code here. Select this option of scan QR code, or you can place this QR code in other people's phone to go ahead and scan it up. So if you want to scan, your tap on scan and give access to your camera. And once you give access to camera, you need to place your device right above the QR code of other people's and basically scan it up. And once it is completed, you should be able to add each other on Clash Royale. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.